Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So we had this nice big impulsive move down on Friday. Very, very nice move. Hopefully it confirms that this is the end of a correction on the daily time frame. If that is true on the daily, it should be now making lower lows, lower highs. On this 1 hour time frame, hopefully what we'll get is this is a complete wave one. Hopefully, within the next day or so, this will make a pullback to at least the 38%. Could make a much bigger pullback to like the 60 or even the 78% for like a wave two. Then I hoping that we get a nice sorting opportunity early this week, like Tuesday or maybe even Wednesday, for a big old push down for the wave three. So, like I said, if this is the end of a crescent, then on the daily it should be making lower lows, lower highs. On the 1 hour time frame, we should see like a wave one. We should see a corrective wave two to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then another push down for wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxwebcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.